rank, correlation, relation and an expression for the rank correlation coefficient. Okay, formula. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of x minus y whole square divided by n into n square minus 1. Okay, or one more rank. Rho is equal to 1 minus 6 summation of d square divided by n into n square minus 1. n into n square minus 1. Okay, these are the rank formula. Okay, proof is not there. We are using only rank. Okay. Then we will solve the problems here. One question is compulsory. Okay, 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by two judges in the following order. Compute the coefficient of rank correlation. Okay, write the question here. 10 competitors in a beauty contest are ranked by two judges. Okay, 10 competitors is there. Okay, the rank is given by the two judges in the following data. We need to find the coefficient of rank correlation. Means we have to use this formula. Okay, we have to use this formula. We have to find the rank of correlation. Okay, first judge and second judge. The data is given here. First judge is 1, 6, 5, 3, 10, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. Okay. Here first judge, here 10 competitors is there. Okay. 10 competitors name is A, B, C, D, E, F. Don't write it A, B, C, D. This is only I am giving understanding. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Okay. First judge is giving A person to first rank, and B person is 6th rank, and C person is 5th rank. D person is 3rd rank, and E person is 10, and F competitor is 2 marks, 2 rank, and G competitor is 4th rank, and H competitor is 9, and similarly I and J. I is 7 and J is 8. And second judge is also given some rank for competitors, 10 competitors. Okay, first competitor, A competitor is given 6th rank, B competitor 4th rank, and C competitor is 9th, and D competitor is 8th, and 10 competitor is 1, 2 competitor is 2, and 4 competitor is G competitor is 3, and H competitor is 10, and I computator is 5, then J computator is 7 here. Okay, 7 here. Okay, write the data. Then we need to find the coefficient of correlation. Then solution means rho is equal to 1 minus 6 into summation of d square divided by n into n minus 1, n into n square minus 1. Okay, I am audible now? Smaran?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Then write the question. Then we need to find the summation of d square. Okay, summation of d square we need to find. Okay, next, observe here n. Here n is 10. N is equal to 10. Okay, 10 computator means n is equal to 10. By the data, the given data, n is equal to 10. The next, we need to find the summation of d square. We need to find the summation of d square. How to find the summation of d square means the difference between these two. Okay, the difference between these two means 1 minus 6 o square plus 6 minus 4 o square plus 5 minus 9 o square plus 3 minus 8 o square plus 10 minus 1 o square plus 2 minus 2 o square, then 4 minus 3 o square plus 9 minus 10 o square plus 7 minus 5 o square plus 8 minus 7 o square. Okay, then simplify. Okay, here 6 minus 1 is 5 square is 25, 6 minus 4 is 2 square is 4, 5 minus 9 is 4 means 16, 3 minus 8 is 5 square is 25, 10 minus 9, 1 o square means here 981, 0 plus 1, 1, 9 minus 10 is minus 1 o square is nothing but 1, 7 minus 5 o square is 2 means 4 plus 1. Then add it, you will get it, add and tell me here, Chandan.
One 58.
158. Okay. Then rank 1 minus 6 into summation of d square is 158 whole divided by n values here 10, 10 square minus 1. Okay, then 0, 4, 2. Okay, then this is the coefficient of correlation. Okay, coefficient of correlation, coefficient of rank correlation. All of them completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir. Deepti completed? Okay, then take down next question. 10 computators in a music contest are ranked by 3 judges, ranked by 3 judges A, B, C in the following data, in the following order, in the following order. Use the rank correlation, use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Okay, read the question here. 10 competitors in music contest are ranked by 3 judges, ABC, okay, ABC in the following order. Okay, use the rank correlation coefficient to decide which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Okay, which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Okay, we have to check which pair of judges means AB is having a common taste of music, and BC is having a common taste of music, and AC having a common taste of music. We have to find using the correlation, rank of correlation coefficient, using the rank correlation coefficient. Okay, using the rank of correlation coefficient. Then still question is not completed. We have to give the data here. We have to write the data here. A, B, C, 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. Okay, B is 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. Okay, 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Write the question. Okay, completed a question, no? Chandan?
Completed.
Okay, then consult the table here. Okay, 1, 6, 5, 10, 3, 2, 4, 9, 7, 8. B is here 3, 5, 8, 4, 7, 10, 2, 1, 6, 9. C values here 6, 4, 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 10, 5, 7. Okay. Then here D square AB. How to find the D square AB here? Okay, here AB is 1 minus 3 whole square, then 6 minus 5 whole square. Okay, understood? Here 1 minus 3 AB. D square AB means 1 minus 3 whole square, 6 minus 5 whole square. Next to 5 minus 8 whole square. Then 10 minus 4 whole square. Then 3 minus 7 whole square. Then 2 minus 10 whole square. Then 4 minus 2 whole square. Then 9 minus 1 whole square. Then 7 minus 6 whole square. Then 8 minus 9 whole square. Then do it here. 6 minus 3 is 3 square is 9. 6 minus 5 whole square is 1 means 1. 5 minus here 1 minus 3, no, 1 minus 3 whole square is 2 square. This is nothing but 4. 6 minus 5 whole square is 1. 5 minus 8 square is here. 5 minus 8 square is 3, 9. 10 minus 4 whole square is 10 minus 4 is 6, 36. 3 minus 7 is 4, 16. 2 minus 10 is 8. 8 square is 64. 4 minus 2 is 2 square means 4. 9 minus 1 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 square is 64. 7 minus 6 is 1. Okay, 8 minus 9 is 1 whole square is 1. Okay, then next to D square BC find out. D square BC find out here. 3 minus 6, 5 minus 4, 8 minus 9, 4 minus 8, 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2, and 2 minus 3, and 1 minus 10, and 6 minus 5, and 9 minus 7. Okay, whole square here, 8 minus 9 whole square, 4 minus 8 whole square, 7 minus 1 whole square, 10 minus 2 whole square, 2 minus 3 whole square, 1 minus 10 whole square, 6 minus 5 whole square, 9 minus 7 whole square. Okay. Then tell me the answer. Akshita?
9.
9. Okay, 9. Next.
1.
Next.
1.
Mm.
16.
Mm.
Then 36.
36. Okay, correct. Next. Ten minus 2 whole square is
64.
64.
And then 1.
Mm.
And
80.
81.
81.
Okay.
Then 1.
Mm.
And then 4.
4. Okay. Observe here D square AB. This step is not necessary to write. Directly you write down. Okay. Only understanding purpose I wrote 1 minus 3 whole square. Not necessary to write. Okay. Only understanding purpose I wrote here. Okay. You directly write down. Okay. Use the calculator. Directly write down. If 3 minus a means 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 square is nothing but 25. Okay. You can write this type also. Not necessary to write this and all. Okay. 4 minus 6 is 2. 2 square is 4. Okay. Then next 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 square is 16. Okay. 8 minus 10 is 2 2 square means here 4. 1 minus 3 is minus 2 whole square is 4. The next 2 minus 2 is 0. Then 3 minus 4 whole square is minus 3 minus 4 whole square is minus 1 whole square. This is 1. Okay, 10 minus 9 is nothing but minus 1 whole square. 1. 5 minus 7 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Then 7 minus 8 is minus 1 means 1. Okay, you can directly write down this type also. Then summation of next step summation of d square find out. Okay, summation of d square ab and also summation of d square bc and the summation of d square ca. Okay, then write down 10 into 10 square minus 1. Then simplify, you will get it 0.636 and carefully observe here, rank of AB is a negative, rank of B is also negative, but rank of CA is positive. Then in this problem what we need to find? We need to find which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Okay, we need to find which pair of judges, we need to find which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Common taste of music we have to find. Okay, yes, observe here, rank of AB is minus 0.21, rank of B is minus 0.297. Both are near and also both are negative. Then rank of AB means AB and here rank of AB and rank of BC are negative, which means that their taste are opposite. Okay, but rank of CA is positive and is near to 1. It is a perfect correlation. Okay, observe here, rank of AB is negative, rank of B is also negative, means opposite. A and B and B and C are opposite states, but rank of CA is positive, rank of CA is positive, 0.636, approximately we are writing 1, okay. Then this is perfect matching, perfect correlation, okay. Then write the statement here. It is observed that, it may be observed that, observe that rank of AB and rank of BC are negative, which means that their taste A and B and C are opposite, okay. Then but rank of CA is positive, and is near to 1. This is nothing but perfect correlation. Okay, positive and is near to 1 means perfect correlation. Okay, write down. I will give 1 minute time. Then I will start new problem. Okay. Thus we conclude that judges C and Andre, this is shows that C and A have the nearest approach to common taste. Okay. Thus we conclude that the judges C and A have have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Okay, C and A, rank of C is a positive and also is near to 1, means from C and A have the nearest approach to common taste of music. Write down.